Welcome back, learners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook posts from a certain year. If this video helps you out, please do leave a like and smash subscribe for more videos like it. So go ahead and open up Facebook, make sure you're logged in, and from the Home tab, go all the way to the top right to your menu. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on Menu. From this page, you're going to want to scroll down almost to the bottom where it says Settings and Privacy. Second one up. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In the 4th section down, you're going to see a section titled Your Facebook Information. Underneath Your Facebook Information, you're going to see Activity Log. Click on Activity Log. From this page, you can see all of your activity on Facebook. Top left-hand side, go to Filters. Now you can filter by category and you can filter by date. We'll go ahead and click on Categories. To delete all Facebook posts from a certain year, we want to click on Posts as our category. And then click on All. Now we can see all of our Facebook posts. You want to filter one more time, go to Filters, and then go to Filter by Date. You can pick a start date. For instance, to delete all posts from a certain year, we will pick 2020 as the year. Click on January 1st, 2020, click OK, and then an end date, we can click Today. Click on Today and click OK. Then click Done, top right-hand side of the screen. Now you can see all of your Facebook posts from 2020, that specific year that we chose. To delete these Facebook posts, go to the post itself. On the right-hand side, you're going to see 3 horizontal dots. Click on those dots. Now you can view it, you can edit the privacy, you can hide from timeline, you can move to archive, and you can move to trash. To delete posts from a certain year, just go ahead and click on Move to Trash. And you can do this with any of the posts that you have chosen. Now there is a software you can use on the desktop called Social Book Manager. And you can do this in bulk if you don't want to do it manually. After you're done deleting posts from a certain year, just go ahead and back out to return to the Home tab. I hope this video helped you out. Please do stay tuned for the next one so you can master social media and marketing easy and quick. Thanks for watching. Take care.